How to upload 1 minute long story on Instagram. What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload long story on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to go to your Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see here I have already added a story from reel that has 1 minute long story, but I am going to show you that how you can add it. So let's go into the reel. So if you want this reel to your story, if this reel is 1 minute long, you can add to your story. If you want this story reel to add this on your story, you have to click on the share button. After clicking on share, you have to click on copy link. After copying the link, what you need to do, you have to go to on your Chrome browser, just like this. Then what you need to do, you have to type a website called Reels Download. After searching for Reels Download, what you need to do, you have to click on this website, instavideosave.net. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to paste your link here, just like this. Then you have to click on download. After downloading the video, you have to click on download video. After that, then the ad will pop up. You have to close the ad, just like this. Okay, after closing the ad, you can see my video has already downloaded. So then what you have to do, you have to go to your Instagram again. After going to Instagram, you have to go to your profile homepage. Then you have to click on story. Then you have to click the video that you just have downloaded, just like this. This reel is 6 seconds long. This will work for 1 minute or more than this, more than 1 minute long. You can add those on your story. So after choosing the video, you have to click on share. Then your story will be shared just like this, just like mine. So this is how you can share long story on Instagram. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.